The last exercise trigonometry identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Three identities. అక్కడ ప్లేస్ ఇవ్వండి. Three identities are these are the main identities. When you make them into the auxiliary identities, sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, sending the plus cos theta to the next side. Then sin theta is equals to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. When you wanted to write as a cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. This is the main identity and these are the auxiliary identities. And come here, sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec theta is equal to under root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1 under root. And here cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec theta is equals square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1 under root. So these are the auxiliary identities. Each session you have the 4. And main identities are 3. These are the main identities. And its application will be used according to the question, not exactly fixed. See, take the question. One plus tan theta plus sec theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So he's asking to solve or evaluate it. Let's take it to the lower ratios, that has 1 plus tan theta in the sense sin theta by cos theta, sec theta 1 by cos theta. And here 1 plus cot theta means cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. You take the LCM as cos theta in the first part. Cos theta is your LCM, so that cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Let's feel this is your A and this is your B. This is your A, this is your B. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. So A square cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Now it is in the form of A plus B whole square. So what will we do? A square cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. Joseph, cos square theta plus sin square theta value what, Nana? Cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. What will happen? 1 will be cancelled. So you are balanced with 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel. So you are balanced with 2. And the next one, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So you can elaborate the by identity a plus b whole square. This is your a plus b. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, because a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta cancel. So what you have here, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 according to the identity. Again sin square theta plus square theta again 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Next one, sec square theta minus 1 cosec square theta minus 1. Actually, here we will be using the auxiliary identities. Already I told you sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to cot square theta according to the identities. Now you can write if you want. Sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to cot square theta. Otherwise, you can write here by identity. Next, tan square theta remains same. Cot square theta means what, Nana? 1 by tan square theta. So tan square theta cancel. So your answer is going to be 1. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is what he is asking to prove. What will we do? Take the LHS part. What is LHS, Nana? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta means what, Nana? 1 by sin theta. Cot theta in the sense cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now in the bracket denominator is same, so you can write it as 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Next, you try to open it 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square is as usual sin square theta. Sin square theta you can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. What will you write here as in the, since sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square. What will be a square? In the sense a into a. So you can write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because you feel it as a square, a into a. In the denominator, in the form of a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square theta. So you can make it as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta can be cancelled. So you are balanced with 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It's proved. This is the other one, an important question too. And again show that 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equals to sec a plus tan a. These kind of questions always will be rationalizing. So first to take the LHS part. square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Rationalize the denominator. So rationalizing factor is equal to what, Nana? 1 plus sin A. Because in the denominator, if minus, take as a plus. If plus, take as a minus. According to the 9th class last exercise. Now what will we do? Under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. This is the rationalizing the denominator. What will you write? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. What shall we write? 1 plus sin A whole square in the denominator. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. So what shall I write? 1 minus sin square A square root. Here 1 plus sin A whole square remains the same by 1 minus sin square means what, Nana? Cos square A square root remains the same. So you can write as a since 1 minus sin square A is equals to what? Cos square A according to the identity. Now, as you know, when you apply the square root separately, under root of 1 minus sin A whole square by under root of cos square A. Square square get cancelled. 1 minus sin A by what, Nana? Cos A. Square root and square will be cancelled. Now, split it. 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A. So, what do you have here? I'm sorry, this is plus. We forgot the minus. So 1 by cos A means what, Nana? Sec A. Sin A by cos A is going to be tan A. So what we wanted to prove. Identities are not complicated when you know the auxiliary identities perfectly and when to use and when not to use. And the other one, show that 1 minus tan square A by cos square A minus 1 is equals to tan square A. Listen, take the LHS part again. 1 minus tan square A by cos square A minus 1. 1 minus tan square A remains the same. Cos square A can be written as 1 by tan square A minus 1 because cot means 1 by tan theta. Here 1 minus tan square A by, if you do the LCM, 1 minus tan square A by tan square A. Is that correct or not? Because tan square A into 1, tan square A by tan square A. Just send to the top. 1 minus tan square A by 1 minus tan square A into tan square A. 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A will be cancelled. So what you have a balance? Tan square A. Next one, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equals to tan theta into sin theta. You wanted to prove that. As usual, take your LHS part. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. What shall I write as per the LCM? 1 minus cos square theta by what, Nana? Cos theta, because cos theta into cos theta. Okay, so 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. Is it right? Sin square theta by cos theta. Since you can write 1 minus cos square theta is equals to sin square theta. Okay, so now sin square theta can be written as a sin theta into sin theta, because a square can be written as a into a. So I am writing sin square theta as sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. I just want to write like this: sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Is that correct? Because it is in the multiplication. You can write the cos theta for any one of it, not for both. If it is a plus or minus, you can write for both. But is it in the multiplication? You can write the cos either to this or to this. Sin theta by cos theta means what, Nana? Tan theta. And sin theta remains same. So what he wanted to prove? Tan theta into sin theta. So we are not doing any spectacular method, just we are doing what is the simplifications method, that's it. Those who are thorough with auxiliary identities, last exercise will be easier. Remember, last and also question will come from the last exercises only. So the next one is asking to simplify sec A 1 minus sin A sec A plus tan A. And here ఇది లెంతీగా చేయాలా ఇలానే చేయాలి కండిషన్స్ ఎక్కడ లేవు. వాట్ హీ వాంటెడ్ టు ప్రూవ్ యూ ప్రూవ్ ఇట్, దట్స్ ఇట్. అది ఏ మెథడ్లో చేస్తున్నాము ఎలా చేస్తున్నాము ఇస్ నాట్ ద మ్యాటర్. లెంతీగా చేయాలి, ఒక 4-5 పేజీలు నింపేస్తేనే మనకంటే కరెక్ట్ గా ఉండదు, అది ఎక్కడ వాడు మెన్షన్ చేయడు. ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ నువ్వు వేసిన స్టెప్స్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉన్నాయా లేదా, వాడు అడిగింది నువ్వు ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నావా లేదా, దట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాటర్. And see, take the EMO LHS part. So sec A can be written as what, Nana? 1 by cos A. He is asking to simplify it. So 1 minus sin A is as usual. Sec A means what, Nana? 1 by cos A. Tan A, sin A by cos A. Next, 1 minus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A by cos A. Is it correct? Because the denominators are same. Now, when two fractions are there, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. What is numerator into numerator? 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by cos square A. A plus B into A minus B. What shall you write, Nana? A square minus B square. So 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. What is 1 minus sin square A? Cos square A. By denominator, cos square A. You can get cancelled. Answer is going to be 1. Here you can write, since 1 minus sin square A is equals to cos square A. This is what the simplification is asking. Next, sin A plus cosec A whole square. This is one of the most important method. Cos A plus sec A whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square A cot square A. Take your LHS part. Sin A plus cosec A whole square cos A plus sec A whole square. A plus B whole square. What shall you write, Nana? A square. Next, B square. Next, 2 sin A into cosec A. Here, cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. This is what done. Okay. Now I can write as sin square A plus cos square A together. Next, cosec square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A according to the identity. Plus 2 sin A. Cosec A means what, Nana? 1 by sin A. Sec square A 1 plus tan square A according to the identity. 2 cos A. Sec A means what, Nana? 1 by cos A. Sin A cancel. Cos A cancel. What is the balance? Cos square A plus sin square A value 1. So 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A or cot square A plus tan square A, because A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is the most important question repeatedly asking. సార్ ఇట్లా రాస్తే మాకు 4 మార్క్స్ పడతాయా సార్, రాస్తే మాకు 5 మార్క్స్ పడతాయా? అట్లా ఏం లేదు మనకి, బికాస్ నో స్టెప్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్ and it is not the matter how lengthy you are doing a problem, it is a matter how perfectly you are doing a problem and how you are writing your steps properly. That's it. And no teacher has mentioned, no scrutinizer has mentioned that it has to be these many lines, it has to be these many pages. He has mentioned that how it should be as a step by step. That's it. And the next question, simplify 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta 1 plus cot square theta. See, he is asking to simplify 1 minus cos theta, okay. 1 plus 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. You can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. Anything? Because a minus b d a plus b, a square minus b square. 1 plus cos square theta remains same. Okay, 1 minus cos square theta means what, Nana? Sin square theta. Because 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. 1 plus cos square theta is equals to cosec square theta. You can write the since 1 minus cos square theta is equals to sin square theta. 1 plus cos square theta is equals to cosec square theta. These are the reasons. And sin square theta remains same. Cosec square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Sin square theta cancel. So what you have a balance? 1. And the last most beautiful question repeatedly asking, given sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p. Now he is asking to find sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta is equals to what? By identity, what can I write? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. According to the identity 2. This is in the form of a square minus b square. You write it as a plus b into a minus b. So sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. What we have? Sec theta plus tan theta? P. So in place of this, what can you write? P. P of sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. So sec theta minus tan theta is equal to what, Nana? 1 by p, because you are transporting the p to the next side. So it will be as a sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. This is what. And this application will be used in the next question. Is asking cosec theta plus cot theta. Given cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Asking to find cos theta. He wanted to find cos theta. Now I will let you know. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Say it as a 1. Okay. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. Say it as 2. By identity you can write. Right. Now you are going to do 1 plus 2. First equation plus second equation. What will come? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. Cot theta cancel with opposite symbol. Cosec theta what na? 2 cosec theta is equals to k plus 1 by k. So 2 by sin theta is equals to k square plus 1 by k. Try to reciprocal the both sides. Sin theta by 2 is equals to k by k square plus 1. Then sin theta is equals to 2k by k square plus 1. That's over. Next, 1 minus 2. So far we did 1 plus 2. Now we are doing 1 minus 2. So what is your 1? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. Now as you are doing minus, symbols will be changed. Minus plus minus. Cosec theta cancel. Cot theta plus cot theta. What will come now? 2 cot theta is equals to k minus 1 by k. What do you mean by the cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. So 2 cos theta by sin theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k. Now transporting the sign to the next side. So what will come? 2 cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k into sin theta. And also transport the 2. Cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by 2k into sin theta. K square minus 1 by 2k into, what do you mean by sin theta? 2k by k square plus 1. 2k cancel. So what you have? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. What he wanted to do, what he wanted to find. And this is the most important question repeatedly asking. Usually people are different, be teaching in the different methods. That is not the matter whatever the method they are teaching. It is the matter that whether it is correct or not. This is the last question which is given the exercise. See, you cannot assure that sometimes he will be giving the sec theta plus tan theta is equal to k. Sometimes he is asking sin theta. Not compulsory will be giving the same question. No one is fixed the same question will come. But its applications are going to come. And this is your trigonometry last exercise. And remember, trigonometry is the most important topic which will happen in the intermediate first year as also. ఇప్పుడు దీని బేసిక్స్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉంటేనే ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో బాగుంటుంది. And remember, we are not categorizing the for sake of figures on the paper. ఇవన్నీ చూసుకొని ఏదో మన ఫిగర్స్ కోసం చేయట్లా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. These applications are important for the future. అదొకటి చూసుకుని keeps on practice always will be helpful. If a question is there and while preparing, usually what is the procedure we'll follow? Total solution will be seen and practice. It's not practicing, it's rewriting. అందులో ఉన్న ఇందులో కాపీ చేసుకుంటూ పోతాం, అది రీరైటింగ్ అంటారు. సో ద బెస్ట్ వే ఆఫ్ లెర్నింగ్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ చెక్ ద క్వశ్చన్ and check each and every step whether you understood or not. Now close your book, write the question and practice on it. Where you get a confusion, then once open the book and go for the next. So that ఏమవుతుంది, దాని ప్రాక్టీస్ అంటారు. అంతేగాని పైన సొల్యూషన్ చూస్తే కింద ఆన్సర్ రాదు మనకి, దాని అదే కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతాం, దానివల్ల ఉపయోగం ఏమాత్రం లేదు. First you need to check the question what he wanted to find and what he is giving, and check every step what has the class work you have. తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి, అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటే క్లోజ్ ద బుక్ అండ్ ట్రై టు డూ యువర్ ఓన్. అట్లీస్ట్ హాఫ్ చేసినా కూడా you may get an action. So where you are getting a confusion, then open it. Which way, which step you are getting confusion, check it once again, once and twice, then close it and continue. It may take little time, but it retains for long span. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని చేయండి. So this is your last exercise, trigonometry.